Ever wondered how to add more years to your life with the simple act of eating? Well, think of superfoods. These are not just your run-of-the-mill fruits and vegetables. Superfoods are power-packed with vitamins, antioxidants, fiber, and other essential nutrients that can give your health a significant boost. They are the superheroes of the food world, fighting off diseases, promoting good health, and even slowing down the aging process. Imagine that. Each bite you take is like a step towards a healthier, longer life. Now, isn't that a delightful thought? But what makes these foods so super? It's their incredible density of nutrients. They are crammed full of the good stuff our bodies need, often in a small package. And the best part? They are readily available and can easily be incorporated into your daily diet. From berries to leafy greens and even dark chocolate, there's a superfood for every palate. Now let's dive into the 7 superfoods that could add years to your life. First up, we have berries. Bursting with flavor and packed with nutrients, berries are a superfood powerhouse you'll want to enjoy regularly. They are loaded with antioxidants which help protect your cells from damage. Plus, they're a fantastic source of fiber, promoting a healthy digestive system. And let's not forget about the wide variety of berries out there. From the brain-boosting blueberries to the inflammation-fighting raspberries, each type has its unique set of benefits. So, don't forget to add a handful of these sweet treats to your diet. Next on the list, the leafy greens. These vibrant powerhouses, such as spinach and kale, are brimming with vitamins and nutrients. They're not just there to add a pop of color to your plate, they're packed with a potent punch of health benefits. The nutrients in these greens can boost heart health, keeping that most vital organ pumping strong. And let's not forget the brain. The vitamins in leafy greens contribute to improved brain function, helping to keep your mind sharp and focused. Next time you make a salad, make sure to go heavy on the greens. Third, we have the creamy and delicious avocados. These green gems aren't just tasty, they're a powerhouse of nutrition. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and can help lower bad cholesterol. They're also rich in fiber, keeping you satisfied longer and supporting good digestion. Plus, avocados are loaded with potassium, even more than bananas, which is essential for heart health. So, if you're looking to enhance your health, don't forget to add some avocado to your meals. Remember, an avocado a day keeps the doctor away. Lastly, we have a quartet of superfoods that can boost your longevity. Nuts, garlic, green tea, and dark chocolate. Let's delve into their benefits. First up, we have nuts. Not only are they the perfect snack for on the go, but they're also known for their heart-healthy benefits. Packed with unsaturated fats, fiber, and protein, nuts can help lower your cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease. Next, we move on to garlic, a culinary staple that's much more than just a flavor enhancer. Garlic is renowned for its immune-supporting properties. It's rich in compounds like allicin, which can help fend off colds and other infections. So the next time you're cooking, don't skimp on the garlic. Third in line is green tea, a beverage that's been enjoyed for centuries for its refreshing taste and health benefits. Green tea is loaded with powerful antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage. It's not just a tea, it's a longevity potion. And finally, we have dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Dark chocolate, especially the kind that's 70% cocoa or more, is packed with flavonoids that can boost your mood and heart health, so go ahead and indulge a little guilt-free. So, there you have it, 7 superfoods that can help you live longer. Remember, the key to longevity lies in your kitchen.